So, I don't know if you can hear it or not, but these are all my fellow teachers. There's at least 6 of them that I see right now, scraping this off their cars. If I don't make it home in one piece, have a good life. Freezing rain. That's all I'm saying. I just cleaned off, I bet you, 1/8 of an inch of ice off of my car. Why do I live in Wisconsin? Why? Do you see that in front of me? That is a sander. Do you see how fast I'm going? The only reason why I'm going that fast in a road that's supposed to be 70 is because of that sander. Thank you, people who plow